Are you wanting to make money on YouTube this year and you're wondering how much do creators actually make? Well, today I'm gonna dish how much money I actually was paid from Google Adsense as a part of YouTube's partner program all of last year. I'm gonna break down all the numbers and I'm gonna share with you how to get monetized and why some videos actually make more than others. And be sure to stay to the end because I'm gonna dish the secret to really making money through YouTube for your channel this year. What's up, it's Danny, your guide to authentic video. If you haven't yet, grab my Starting on YouTube cheat sheet and let's get into it. Let's talk monetization. In order to get monetized and be a part of YouTube's partner program where you are paid for ads on your channel through Google Adsense, there are now two ways to be eligible. The first is either you need 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million YouTube Shorts views within 90 days. I'm gonna be real, I think it's gonna be way easier to get 4,000 watch hours within 12 months than 10 million Shorts views in 90 days. But that's just me, but I do manage a decent amount of YouTube channels, so I would say, yeah, I would say that I'm right. Now, if you haven't yet, I highly recommend that you go and watch my How to Make Money from YouTube Even with 0 Subscribers video. It's gonna break down all the ways that I recommend making money from your channel right away. Monetization is great, but that video is also really helpful. If you can combine these two videos together, you're gonna have a powerhouse channel. Now, as a part of YouTube's partner program, you can of course make money from ads run on your videos, but you can also make money from a range of other things. Channel memberships, YouTube shopping, which is like merchandise, super chat and stickers, super thanks, and also YouTube premium. Now, channel memberships, I've never done. My goal for my channel and for my clients' channels is always to get people into your own program that's off of YouTube. For shopping and merch, unless you have a really big subscriber count, you probably won't make a lot of money through doing that. I think something like Shopify is probably gonna be a stronger bet. But if you have a big community, then selling merch could be a nice little chunk of income. And YouTube has partnered with companies like Printify to be able to really easily put your logos on sweatshirts and mugs, and then they do all the shipping and everything for you. You literally just sign up and they take a cut of it. It's crazy. So is it worth it? If you have a community, I would do it. I'm actually in the process of making my own merch right now. Ooh, so if you see it down below this video, my store went live. Super chat and super stickers, honestly, you're not gonna make that much money with unless you have a massive following. I don't think I've ever made any money from super chat and super stickers. And then super thanks, I think I've made a total of $7 through. Unless you have a really big community, these things aren't gonna make that big of a difference. Hold up though, I need to give a big shout out to the 2 people who have ever sent me super thanks. You made my day. David Mitchell, awesome name. I appreciate you. Okay, let's continue. Also, YouTube Premium, as a part of YPP, you just make a cut of that anyway. If someone is signed up for YouTube Premium and they're subscribed to your channel and they watch your videos, then you automatically make a tiny cut of that. What you can make a lot more money with is ads, which is what I'm talking about today. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. I know you're feeling a little nosy, wanted to know how much I made last year. I always feel so nosy too, don't worry. I always wanna know when people put out these videos, I'm like, ooh, how much money did you make last year? So let's go to my computer and let's look. Now that we are inside of YouTube, let's head to YouTube Studio to see how much I got paid. YouTube Studio is a holy grail of where you're gonna find all the main information of your channel, especially when you get monetized. So I'm gonna click on the left-hand side and go to Analytics. And here you can see an overview of how my channel is doing. Now, if you go on this right-hand side here, we want to click on a specific time period. So I'm gonna hit 2022. All right, drum roll, da 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 da. And my channel is estimated to have made $5,506.96. Ooh, if I click here in revenue, we can break this down a lot more because it's important to note that not all videos are created equal or make the same amount of money. Each video is gonna get paid differently depending on what topic it's on and how much advertisers are willing to pay to have an ad on that video. So you can see this is the estimated revenue, which is 97% more than January through December, which if you're starting your channel and you're like, oh, it's not growing fast enough, things on YouTube start to snowball. Stay consistent. I promise you, things are going to eventually start growing and scaling, and then it's gonna double, triple, quadruple, which is so exciting. I'm expecting to see a big jump for this year as well, and I'll keep you posted on that by doing another video next year. So this is right here, this number is your RPM, and that is how much you earn for every 1,000 views, okay? And then the CPM, it's just the cost per mil, and that's how much advertisers are willing to pay you for 1,000 views on those videos. My CPM is $18, which is quite high, and your CPM is going to depend again on your niche, and it'll also depend on the different types of videos. So let's take a look at that. So if I scroll down here, you can see I have top earning content. Now this video, 10 YouTube Shorts hacks, made more than the Why I'm Leaving Bali vlog, even though the Bali vlog got put out sooner, so it's been out on YouTube longer, and it got technically more views. The video on YouTube Shorts hacks got paid more because it had a higher CPM. So if we look, I can click see more, and it's going to actually give me a breakdown of these videos. So see how the CPM for this video is $13.97, but for the Why I'm Leaving Bali vlog, it's $12.73. Advertisers are willing to pay me less because they're thinking that people interested in YouTube Shorts and businesses are going to be spending more money than perhaps people who are trying to be digital nomads in Bali. I think something really telling of this is you can see Kajabi. Look at this. The CPM is $85. So this video has made me $215 since it's come out, which if we look at the estimated monetized playbacks of views, you can see it's 4,539, which is way less than this 110,000, but it's made a decent amount of money compared to this video as well in terms of the views. But why does this video have such a high CPM compared to these other videos? Is because Kajabi is an expensive software. Kajabi is, I think it's like over $1,000 a year. So advertisers know that people watching this video have some money to spend and they're looking to buy something more specific, and it's a kind of a hot audience. So hopefully it makes sense as to why somebody interested in Kajabi. Or another video I have on G Suite has a really high CPM here. Let's find that one. Yes, the how to add aliases to Gmail G Suite, that one also has a $35 CPM. People interested in G Suite and in Kajabi, they're business owners, they've got a bit more money, they're wanting to invest in themselves. These videos, advertisers are going to be willing to pay more than, let's say, a video that is just a day in the life in Vietnam, where the CPM is only $8.44. I found this article in Medium that talks about what YouTube niches have the highest CPM, and you can see what's listed are affiliate marketing, trading and investing, personal finance, print on demand, content creation, real estate. So all things where people have some money to pay in. It makes sense that ads are going to be more expensive for these types of audiences than ASMR videos where people are just eating and talking about something random, or doing movie reviews or things like that. Now, just for fun, let's look and see how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views and 100,000 views. And that's a question that I get a lot. So let's see. So this video has around 1,000 views, and it just kind of recently came out. I made $15.93 from this video that I put out just a couple weeks ago. Now, what about 100,000 views? This video is one of my top videos. It has 158,000 views, and I've made around $877 from it. Now, this other video has 148,000 views, and it's estimated to have made me around $941. The cool thing about this is these videos, as they continue to get more views, will continue to make me ad revenue every single month. Now, when you are a part of YouTube's partner program, you actually get to pick where you want your ads to show up. Let me show you this. Okay, now this video isn't monetized, so if I click on it, I can turn on the monetization. So I'll go in and I can scroll to monetization on the left-hand side, and you'll be able to see these different options. Okay, so when I turn monetization on, I have to hit next, and then I have to go through and tell YouTube a little bit about the video and make sure it doesn't have any shocking content, hateful or derogatory content, and I click none of these, and then it says that it's safe for ads, and then I can submit it. Then from there, you can pick the type of ads you want on your video. So you can have before the video, during the video, and after the video. Super pro tip for you, and you can decide if you want to do this or not. For me personally, my educational videos, my goal is to build more like, know, trust with my audience. I want to provide a lot of value, and I want my audience to go, hey, this is how much free value she has on her YouTube channel, her programs must have crazy high value. So my goal for my videos is to get people into my paid programs, to want to work with me, to want to get me to manage your channel. So I actually don't put ads in the middle of my videos for this reason, because I want my programs that I talk about throughout my videos to be the ad. I don't want somebody else's stuff in my videos to be an ad. Now, if it's a vlog, sometimes I will do ads in the middle because that's more about my life and I'm not really promoting anything. But for my educational content, I choose to not do mid-roll ones. And I just honestly, when I'm trying to learn something, I hate ads that go in the middle of the video. I'm like taking notes, trying to learn something, and then boom, an ad. And I'm like, oh, 5 seconds, skip, right? So that's another reason why I don't do it. But that's a personal preference for me and what I think that my community appreciates, what I also think helps move the needle better in my business. So that's what I do. And then you can save those changes and boom, you've got ads on your video. Now, how does YouTube actually pay you as a part of YouTube's partner program? I get asked this a lot. When you are eligible for YouTube's partner program and you go through and you sign all their legal stuff, you will also send in your banking information, and Google AdSense will actually deposit your payments directly to your bank, which is really awesome. So what is the secret key to making more money with YouTube monetization? Well, we have seen that some niches have a higher cost per mil, have advertisers that are willing to pay more money to have ads on their videos than others. We know personal finance, content creation, real estate, these niches are gonna make more in ad revenue than other niches where it's like ASMR or vlogging. So if your sole goal in building your channel right now is to make money through ads, then you do want to look at the niche and the audience that you were trying to target. But hold up though, that is never how I recommend for any of my clients to build their YouTube channels. If you have not watched my video yet on how to make money on YouTube with 0 subscribers, please go watch it after this. It will be so beneficial for you. The true way to build wealth on YouTube is to use it as a funnel to get in front of your ideal audience and get people into your own offer, your own product, your own services. And I will say that while, yes, I made $5,500 from my channel last year, I made way more money from my channel from other things like getting new clients in, course sales, sponsorships, all of these things I have way more control over and can continue to scale over time and build stock in my name rather than just hoping that advertisers are going to be willing to spend money on my videos. So even if your niche doesn't fall under one of these more higher paying niches, it doesn't matter. You can still make so much money from your channel if you do the things that I talk about in that other video where you're really using YouTube as a funnel. If this video was helpful for you, it's so helpful for me. If you can give it a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe and go watch that other video if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye.